Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am SYBEL Explains. This video is all about multiplication of decimals by powers of 10. We have an example here. Kabudjan Elementary School serves lunches to their students. If one serving of lunch costs 45 pesos and 50 centavos, how much 10 students will pay if each one has one serving of food? Our given, 45 pesos and 50 centavos, and then we have 10 students. In order to get the correct answer, we have to multiply these two given numbers. But we can solve it in the long cut first, then later I'll be showing you the shortcut. Okay, let's have the long cut first. Let's have 45 pesos and 50 centavos. Let's multiply it to 10. In multiplying decimals, we multiply it as if we are just multiplying whole numbers. We're ready? 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. And 0 times 4 is 0. We have also, next line, 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 4 is 4. Then we are ready to add our partial products. Let's bring down 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then bring down 4. In multiplying decimals, we have to count the number of decimal places we have in our factors so that it will also be reflected on our product. Okay, we have 1, 2 decimal places. So let's have here 2 decimal places also in our product from the last 0 here going to the left twice. 1, 2. That's our answer. So it will be 455 pesos. It means 10 students will pay 455 pesos for their lunch. That was the long cut. Okay, the shortcut, all we need to do is, okay, we'll write first 45 pesos and 50 centavos times 10. In multiplying powers of 10, let's see how many zeros do we have here. Then we can just simply move one place to the right. It means our answer will be, just move one place to the right, that will become 455 pesos. We will just move one place to the right because we have 1 0 in our 10. So that's easy. Let us have some exercises. What if we have this one? 1 and 56 hundredths times 10. So we don't need to perform the long cut. How many zeros can we see here? We have only 1 0, so it means we have to move 1 decimal place to the right. 1 decimal place to the right, so it will be here. So our answer will become 1, 5 decimal point and then 6. So that's 15 and 6 tenths. That's the answer. Very easy. Let us have another one. 75 and 95 hundredths times 10. So it is going to be, how many zeros can we find here? 1. So it means we will move 1 decimal place to the right also. So that's 1 decimal place. It means our answer is 759 decimal point and 5. It means we have 759 and 5 tenths. That is very easy. Another example, 0.007 times 10. Okay, so it means we will just move one decimal place to the right. So our answer will become 0.07. That is 7 hundredths. That's our final answer. We have another example. Tita Yang is a businesswoman. This month, she was able to gain 540 pesos and 75 centavos. Last month, she earned 100 times as much. How much did she gain the previous month? Our given are the following. We have 540 pesos and 75 centavos. Then we have 100 times. In order to get the answer, we will just multiply these two numbers. Okay, let's do that. 540 pesos and 75 centavos times 100. We will no longer perform the long cut because we already know the shortcut. How many zeros can we see in here? We have 1 and 2. It means we will also move the decimal point twice to the right. Okay, let's have that. 1, 2. It means our answer is, we'll just have to write all these numbers, 54075. And then we can put a decimal point here because we are using money. It means our answer is 54,075 pesos. Tita Yang was able to gain 54,075 pesos last month. Let us have another set of exercises. What if our given is 0.009 times 100? In solving this, we have to move how many places to the right? We only move 2 decimal places to the right because we have 2 zeros in here. So it means we can move our decimal point to the right, 1 and then 2. Our answer is 0 decimal point and 9 or 9/10. Easy. Another one. 8 and 75 hundredths times 100. So our answer is, how many places will we move our decimal point? We will move it twice because we have 2 zeros here. So it means our answer is 875. And that's our final answer. Another one. 1 and 270 thousandths times 100. Okay, our answer will be, we'll move only 2 decimal place, that's 1 and 2 because we have 2 zeros here. Our answer is 127 and decimal point and then 0, or we can just simply write it 127. That's our answer. We have another example. Franz bakes a cake for his customers. He can use 750 and 600 grams of flour for every cake. If Franz already baked 1,000 cakes, how many grams of flour were he able to use? Our given for this problem, we have 750 and 600 grams, and also we have 1,000 cakes. In order to solve for the answer, we only have to multiply. Okay, let's have it. 750 and 600 times 1000. Do we need to perform the long cut? It's going to be a waste of time. So we will just move how many places to the right? Since we have 3 zeros here, so it means we will move 3 decimal places to the right. Okay, let's have that. That's 1, 2, and then 3. We will just add 0 here. So our final answer would be, let's copy 7, 5, 0, 0, 6, 0. So the decimal point is right at the back, but we may not write it anymore. Okay, so that is grams is our label. That will give us 750,060 grams of flour. It means France were able to use 750,060 grams of flour for 1,000 cakes, and that's so many. We'll have now another set of exercises. Let's have 7 and 9,000 times 1,000. Okay, how do we solve for the answer? We will just move how many places? We will move 3 decimal places to the right since we have 3 zeros in here. Okay, our answer would be, let's move this one 3 times 1, 2, and 3. So our answer will be 7,009, and that is final. How about this one? 1,000 times 4 10,000s. We will move the decimal point 3 places to the right because we have 3 zeros here. So let's move the decimal point 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. We will have our decimal point there, so our answer will be 4 tenths. 4 tenths is our final answer. What if our given is this? 8 and 400 times 1,000 times 10. So it means we will move decimal places to the right for how many times? Is it 3? Is it 4? Okay, we will move it 4 times because we have here 1, 2, and 3, and then this one. Okay, so it means we have 10,000s in our given if we will multiply these two. So it means we have 4 decimal places to be moved to the right. So we'll have it here. So from here, going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. We will just put zeros in the empty spaces there. So our final answer will be 8, 0, 4, 0, and 0. That is 80,400. You don't need to do long cut. You can do it mentally. And you will be one of those math wizards in your classroom. Good luck! Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!